In our last movie, we looked very briefly at the way in which any parts of our pattern that we surround by round brackets are classed as subpatterns, and whatever matches are found when the larger pattern matches to the string we're searching on, the results of these subpatterns are stored within special variables which are named numerically. So the first subpattern will be variable 1, the second variable 2, and so on. We'll also reference them in different ways, as you can see on this side of the screen, depending on whether we're referencing them within the pattern itself or outside. We use the backslash to escape the number, or outside we use the $sign. Let's move over to our text editor now and put together a little example. We're going to do a search, just a simple search. We're not going to store the results in an array. It's not going to be a global search. We're just simply going to search for any alphabetical character followed by OXES and bins. So this could search for foxes and bins, boxes and bins, or any character followed by oxes and bins. And then we're going to simply print whatever we find as the result of our pattern. We also need to escape this full stop here to prevent it from being interpreted as a wildcard symbol. If we move over now to our command prompt and run the script, we'll see that Perl returns the instance that it found of the pattern within the string we're searching on. Now what we can do here is we can split off any part of the pattern we want and make it a subpattern. Now the script works in exactly the same way as it does before. If we go back to our command prompt and run it again, we get the same result. However, we now have some extra variables available to us. We have this one, variable 1, which will show us the contents of the match for the first subpattern. And the subpattern, once again, is everything contained within the round brackets. So, going back to our command line, boxes is what it matches. Returning to our text editor, we can also look for the second subpattern, bins. So whatever we store within those round brackets is captured as a separate pattern.